Hi little learners. Let's learn addition together. Come on, join with me. What is addition? Addition is a way of putting things together to find out how many we have in total. This is the plus sign. We use this to add. Now we will learn addition with examples. Tim had one rabbit in his farm. Her friend gave her one more rabbit. So altogether there are 2 rabbits. This is Nora. She has 2 apples and her sister gave her one more apple. How many apples she has altogether? 1, 2, 3. Altogether there are 3 apples. 1 bird and 2 birds. Altogether there are 3 birds. There are 2 balls and add 2 more. How many altogether we have? There are 4 balls altogether. 2 flowers and add 5 more flowers. Altogether there are 7 flowers. 4 hats. And add 2 more hats. Altogether there are 6 hats. 1 snowman. And 2 more snowmen. Total there are 3 snowmen. Now test your knowledge. 4 plus 5 equal to 4 plus 5 equals 9. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.